Honorable Principal, respected teacher, and all my dear friends. First of all, good morning, all of you. My name is Testa from lesson. Today I am here for poem Lakshta. One finger, turn into a crow. Two finger, turn into a bunny, ho. Three finger, turn into a cat, meow. Four finger, turn into a butterfly, fly. Five finger, turn into a lion, ho. One, two, three, four, five. Once I got a fish like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it did my finger. So which finger did it by? This is the finger on my out in the garden. One fine day with my ball. Ran to play. I bounce his right, bounce his left. I bounce his right, I bounce his left. One fine day, out in the garden, fine day with my kite and ran to play. I flew it right, I flew it well, one fine day. Get up early in the morning, go for a walk early in the morning. Salute to everyone. Good morning. Finger open, finger close. Shake them, touch your nose. Finger open, finger close. Shake them, keep them to your toes. Apples on a tree, pick them up, eat them up. Apples on a tree, grapes on a vine, pick them up, eat them up. Grapes on a vine, watermelon also like, pick it up, eat it up. Watermelon also like. Fruits in my tummy, Magni strong, Magni healthy. Oh mama, yummy.